so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars.
Hey guys, today's my birthday!
Happy birthday!
Oh, those are the best little voices I could hear. Thank you.
Welcome.
The best little voices I could hear on my birthday. Everyone gave me a hug. Everyone kissed me. Everyone told me good morning, Mom. Happy birthday.
I was gonna make waffles for you, but the toaster didn't work.
The toaster doesn't work?
No.
Oh, I'll help you when we get home, okay?
Maxwell said happy birthday. Mom, Maxwell said happy birthday.
Thank you,
I
Maxwell.
want a towel.
I just did my hair. I put some extensions in, some 14-inch extensions, and then
Back here.
I braided my hair because we're having a beach day today on my birthday, and we're all like super excited to go down to the little beach. It's not a real beach, it's on the river, the Columbia River, and we just set up camp down there. We bring tents and shades and chairs and all of that fun stuff. Leslie Groves Park on Columbia River.
Oh. I wanted to go Howard Damon.
So happy birthday to me. I am, if you guys guessed right, you guys are awesome. I'm 39 years old today, you guys. I'm an 84 baby. I was born in 1984. It's my birthday and I'm gonna soak it on up because 364 days out of the year, I'm taking care of everybody else. And today, I want to get taken care of. So, it's my birthday.
We still love it here. We don't want to leave, so we're fine.
Yeah. Dutch Bros!
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Shug! It's Mommy's birthday!
Happy birthday!
Oh, I love you guys too.
Mama, I'm on page 27. On page 34, I'm going to be on chapter 4.
Mama, can I get a birthday?
So we're at Dutch Bros, and you guys know I'm all about free movies, free food, free events, free church events, free anything to do with kids, activities, library story times. I'm all about that free. So you guys already know that I'm rolling up to all the Dutch Bros in my city, and I'm going to get my free birthday drink. And there's one here. So that'll keep me going for the next 2 hours while we're getting ceviche ready and we're getting food prepped and we're loading up the car. And then on the way out, on the way to the little beach, there's another Dutch Bros, and I'm going to stop at that one. And that Dutch Bros, that coffee will hold me off through the rest of the day at the beach.
Mom, do you hear Max? Mama.
So, little tip, Dutch Bros, if you have them in your area, I know they're only on the West Coast, or they're supposedly, I heard that they were only on the West Coast, but if you have Dutch Bros, they will give you free birthday drinks on your actual birthday. And no, I did not cave and buy a Stanley. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys see on my stories sometimes how much I'm always like, how are people paying $50 for a cup? Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. And they leak. No thanks. So I found this little $17 dupe at Walmart. I will link it down below in the comments.
Hello.
Hi.
What can I get started for you today?
I would like the chai thing. What is that?
A chai?
The American Eagle chai.
Okay.
And it's my birthday.
Okay, do you want to sit right here?
Aren't you going to tell me happy birthday?
Yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you.
And then what size would you like that?
A large.
Large?
Don't drink up all my drink. Give me my drink, you guys.
So I put it on my lips, like, and it came on.
This is an American Eagle dirty chai from Dutch Bros. Super good.
Is there any on?
It's super chai. So if you don't like chai, don't get it. Okay, so we got the car packed, we got canopy, a beach umbrella that goes in the sand, our wagon. This little $50 wagon from Costco is a lifesaver. Our comfortable compartment tote, our beach chairs. We have camping chairs down here. We have a cooler, literally everything we need. Our life jackets, our water toys. Everything is good to go and packed up, except for when I make the ceviche and get the chicken that's been marinating for 2 days out of the refrigerator. I'll need to fill this right here up with ice and take it out, fill it up with ice, and then put all the waters and foods and stuff like that in here. So I'll go ahead and take this out. Excuse me. This was the one that I got for 10 bucks. It was $45. It's Igloo. It was $45 from Walmart, and I got it on clearance for $10. I should have grabbed a couple more, but for now that's good. So everything fits in here nice and perfect. Here's everything we got. Let me turn the light on. This is everything we got for my birthday. So I'm getting ready to make some ceviche. Here's all the stuff to make ceviche, plus onion and cucumber. I got stuff to make s'mores. Who am I? S'mores. We got some marshmallows, some honey graham crackers, got Great Value brand because my money's funny, some milk chocolate bars. I got this for just the house, but I got some hot dog buns. There's hot dogs from Costco in the refrigerator. There's chicken marinating, mojito lime chicken, and then I got these cupcakes. I just got this instead of bringing like a cake and it melting and stuff. I just got this so the kids, I can just cut these in half and all the kids can have a little half of a cupcake. So for mom's birthday. Another thing that I wanted to run by you guys is today's my birthday. My actual birthday is July 2nd, and then on July 7th, which is next Friday, I will be going out with me, Marcus, my best friend Ashley, her boyfriend Brody, Jacob, her boyfriend Jacob, a couple other friends, my niece Tasia, and whoever she brings, my brother Corey and his girlfriend Melissa. We're all going to be going out to a wine cellar place, watching a live band, and we're going to celebrate my birthday then with the adults. So I'll be doing a full get ready with me, like you'll see my outfit, my hair, my makeup, all that stuff next week. But today is just me and the kids, some of our friends and kids, and we're just gonna be hanging out on the river, having a beach day, and celebrating my birthday with all the kids like family. And then I also got a whole bag of fireworks for today. I got sparklers for the kids to light off, and then I got a ton of fireworks for the 4th of July, plus we still have like a few $100s worth of fireworks left in the garage from the last couple of years. So we got these are smoke balls. The kids love these. I got like 5 pairs of these. These are only $1.50. These are really cool. We got Piccolo Pete's. These fairy wands looked cool. These were 12 bucks and I wouldn't normally pay that much for them, but they say fairy on them and they're cute colors, so I grabbed them. There's 5 of them. And then we got some jumbo rocket fountains. These are fun to stick in the grass and light. And some mini California rocket fountains. These are also fun to stick in the grass. And then a ton of killer bees, and then a big little red devil. I'm gonna wash and chop up some cucumbers, some tomatoes, there's something in my throat, some avocados, some onion, some cilantro, some small shrimp, and then I'm going to sprinkle or spray a whole bunch, squeeze a whole bunch of lime, salt and pepper, and then a little bit of ketchup, and then let it all marinate, and then it'll be ready by the time we get down to the beach.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies beat, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow.
Okay, I got a ton of tomatoes chopped. Now I'm gonna chop up a cucumber, cilantro.
Make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets. Telling black guys to keep them.
On the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on.
Okay, I got the cilantro, the cucumber, the tomato, and the shrimp. Now I'm just going to do some avocado, a whole bunch of lime juice, ketchup, and onion. Just a little bit of onion. Nice little tip to get the most maximum juice from your limes. Roll them around, put them in the microwave for like 10-15 seconds, and roll them. And it breaks up all the pockets of juice. So when you cut them open, they're super juicy and ready to be squeezed out. This smells so good. It smells fresh and yummy. The kids want some already, but I told them we need to let it marinate for a little bit, and then we'll eat some at the beach. Look how bomb this looks, you guys, and it tastes so good. I ended up skipping the tomato ketchup because I feel like there was enough juice. Look at all that juice down there. There's enough juice already from the tomatoes, so you can add ketchup or clamato. I know a lot of people like red beer and clamato tomato juice, like out on the beach or the river. So a little splash of tomato in here would be good, or clamato juice. Super yummy. You guys, this is bomb. All right, we got everyone loaded in the car. Everything is in the car. And Marcus is carpooling with us. His car's loaded up. My car's loaded up. All the kids are in our car. And we're going to head to the beach.
What is that for?
Cherries.
What?
Cherries.
Is this it?
Yep.
shore. Yeah, and it has to be it has to be in the shade. That's why she said the big beach. Wait. I can't swim.
Marcus is on the grill. We got our tent set up. Kids are playing. Good job, Sophia.
Fire float, Mom. Mom, watch mine.
Good job, Lace.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Say hi, baby. Happy birthday, Mama. I wanted to thank you guys for being there for me. I love you guys, and thank you for 75,000 subscribers.
Hi, everyone.
Hey guys, this is my bestest friend in the whole wide world. She's been with me for over 25 years. Love her so much. Look at these super cute gold chains she got me for my birthday. Love them. So pretty. And look how beautiful she is. Oh.
That you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth.
We made s'mores on the grill and they were delicious. Beautiful birthday night for a couple of beautiful birthday cupcakes. Ready to light them?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Crissy, happy birthday to you. Bravo!
Thank you.
What cupcake do you want?
Happy birthday to me.
What did you wish for? No, you can't tell. It won't come alive, right? Right, Mom?
Right.
I just hope you know my depth. Even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with.